Hey guys, this is going to be a unboxing review of the Waterfall LED bathroom faucet. My wife and I are remodeling a small bathroom off the kitchen, and we were pretty impressed with this one and decided to give it a try. What I love about it, the first thing you see when you open up the box is a pair of white gloves, almost indicating elegance, and you want to handle it with care. So this portion here is the faucet, and this is where the water will pour out. As you can see, it's got one of those open face faucets where the water kind of pours out and over the top of the sink, which I love. And on the inside, you can't see it, but you'll show it at the end of the video with the installation. There's actually an LED light that changes colors based on hot, cold, or warm. Your handles actually show blue for cold water, as you can see here. Again, not installed. And then you also get, obviously, the hot water handle for the hot water, which is nice because when someone is using a faucet that's not familiar with their home, when they turn it on, they know that's the hot water spigot based on the little dot. It also comes with Teflon tape because there are a couple of connections where you will need the Teflon tape. Also comes with a sink drain, which I love because this is the plunger style. You don't need sink putty or none of that stuff. So this was my favorite feature of it. You get your extension tube. It goes into your drain. You also get your cold and hot water line. This is a hardware to connect the faucet and the two handles to the underside of the sink. And this device here actually connects the main faucet to each hot and cold handle for your water. So today I ended up installing the vanity and the sink top. And as you see here, you can see this is the actual kit that I just showed you in the video. So excuse the drywall issues on the back. I still have to repair that because the old sink was a little bit lower. But again, as you can see with the water on, now this is the hot water side. You see how it's showing cold? It'll show cold until it starts to warm up. Once it gets warm, it'll turn green, as you'll see here in this segment. Notice it turned green, and that means the water is warm. And then as it gets hot, then it will turn red to let you know the water is hot. I love this LED feature of this faucet. And then we're going to turn it off, and we're going to switch to the cold side. And as you can see, it goes from red to green back to blue, which means this is your cold water side. I tell you, after seeing this thing installed, my wife and I love it. Definitely a 5-star review all the way.